This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 77 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This issue, we're continuing the engine. We've got what's apparently the engine timing cover and the powered steering pump. But yes, we've got the metal piece here. We're going to fit our little bit into the top. Not sure what that bit is, but it goes in there anyway. There we go. Then that bit goes on those two pins there. A bit like that. And that's held in place with two of these PSO2 screws, not PSO5, the SO2. There's two of those. Come on, two of you out, and one can stay in there. There we go. Bigger screwdriver for that, I believe. Yep, that will work better. That lined up on those. One in so it's not going to escape, and then to put the other one in and tighten it all up. There we go. We'll do that. No idea what part of the engine. I know it's apparently the timing cover, but I don't know what it times. Obviously the bit on the engine, but no idea what that does. This will then go on to there, apparently. That one that way round, that one that way round. That will go on there. Is that? It does have a flattened side, so it's got to be the right way round. There we go. That's that. That then goes on to the front of that with a pin and a screw hole. The screw hole is obviously going to hold one of these, PSO5. That will go through there to hold that together. There we go, and that is this issue completed. There is one more in this pack, in this delivery. So I shall clear the bench and then get that put together. We need to bring in the other parts from last time for that. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time for another part. Bye bye for now.